Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your system on the Nintendo Switch. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and update your Nintendo Switch. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that you're going to do is let's grab your Nintendo Switch. Let's turn it on and let's open it up. Press the same button 3 times. Next, you want to go ahead to where it says System Settings and click on System Settings. Next, you want to go and scroll all the way down to where it says System and then click on System Update. As you can see, my system is currently up to date, but on your screen, you might see a prompt where there is an update available. So go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts in order to update your Nintendo Switch. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your Nintendo Switch system. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.